Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today, for day 4 of Water Park Week, I am here at Margaritaville at Lanier Islands, located at Lake Lanier, here in Georgia. Super excited to be here. This is a unique park. It's very spread out, very big, and beautiful as well. Cannot wait to bring you guys along with me, have some fun. We're gonna get on some slides and some other stuff. We're gonna have a great time. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. You can see as we're hiking on up, there's like huge like body mats slide all the way down there. You can see like the beach right there, some other water play area stuff right here. Very nice, very beautiful. It is very hot out here. It's about 97 degrees, and another slide there. This is like the steepest walk up. It is ridiculous. Here we go, first slide of the day, splash down. Here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ow! Oh my goodness. Oh, this one's kind of cool. Oh wow. Jeez. Oh. What's going on? That one was super cool. You guys saw how I was like banking those corners. That was insane. Wow, that's probably one of the better slides that we've done so far this week. I like that one a lot. Let's go up on this big white one right here. Give this one a try, see how we like it. But here's some of the lay of the land. Check that out. All right, so you have a little kid splash area right there. And through the tunnel, which we'll go through a little bit later, you go underneath the street and then go to the other side over there to the wave pool, which is super cool. But I want to get on this slide right here, but we gotta hike up and go around. I really do need to invest in some water shoes at this point because my feet are burning. It is no shade and it's scorching hot out here. 97 degrees and a lot of inclines here. Man, whew. But it's so beautiful out here though. Cannot wait to get on the slide and get back into the water. We are at the top here at a hike up this little trail. This one is called Double Down. So we're gonna give Double Down a try. See how this one shapes up against the last one. Here we go. There we go. That one wasn't bad at all. Got a lot of airtime on that. That was crazy. So Double Down was actually super legit. Like, man, it's out of control. This one feels so weird, this water park. The slides, like you're gonna fall off the side of these slides like multiple times. Like you weave and waver, man, it's crazy. It's super crazy, but they have some great slides so far here. And you can see you also have the beach right here. The sand feels really good with this heat, but we're definitely gonna give Double Down a go again. That was seriously pretty amazing. There's a tiki bar right there and another bar, like a couple of bars here, a lot of bars here. Over there is where you would get your lockers and rent cabanas and umbrellas, different things like that. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go straight ahead underneath the street and go to the wave pool on the other side of the water park. So they do have a bar right here, Buc-ee's Brews and Snacks, but this is the more chilled out area that has the wave pool. Let's see how it is really quick. So now in the wave pool right here, it's actually pretty warm, like I would say 70 something degrees. It doesn't appear super deep. Everybody's just sitting down. That's pretty nice. We've got a TV up there too. They have like TVs and screens everywhere around this park. Pretty nice. But yeah, this is the wave pool here. So here in the center of the wave pool, literally the center of the wave pool, the interesting thing is they don't tell you how deep it is at all. They just kind of let you go in here, but it doesn't get that deep whatsoever. So if you guys want to come out here for this and bring the little ones, it's not that deep at all. Like, look at me. I'm just squatting down right now. And I would probably say back there that it goes to about 4 feet or so back there near the front. So not too bad. Oh, the waves are coming. You can like hear the air pump to make the waves. It's crazy. It is super loud, like a huge fan just turned on. But here are the waves. Let's move up. We are getting up here in the waves. Let me squat down a bit. So there we go. Ooh. It's a little something. All right, as the waves are still going, let's get out the wave pool. We can't relax right now. Ah! waves. Let's go find some more slides to get into. And back through the tunnel we go to the majority of the water park. Yep, so it appears that straight ahead, Raging Rivers is a huge hike up there. Oh man, bear with me, let's get up there. So Raging River right here, looks like a multi-person type of tube slide, so I'm not sure if I can go on this by myself. So I can go solo. They do have solo rafts right here, tubes. So I'm gonna get mine and then hike on up. Here we go, tube acquired and hiking on up. All right, here we are, Raging Rivers. We're at the top. I'm out of breath. Got my tube. We are going up soon. So yeah, you saw a little bit of what Raging Rivers is like, but Raging Rivers was probably definitely my least favorite, but hey, we gave it a go. I had to put my GoPro away because that was really rough and wild. And yeah, I didn't like it very much, but we did it, we had fun. And now that we've done everything that's over here, all the slides and the wave pool, let's go back around to the other side to get on more slides, see what they have to offer at the majority of the park. So there are 3 slides up here, but one is closed, so we're gonna try these again. Blackout is closed. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my goodness, air time. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh. Not bad whatsoever. Oh man, the air time on that is insane, but that's probably my favorite so far. It's probably my favorite. Let's go around to this other one again. So just taking a break here. Rest my feet because that ground is about 100, man. It is insane. So I'm just waiting and then going on the mat slide again. All right, get in our mat again. Here we go. And heading back up. Oh, my feet. I'm sorry, I have to walk in the grass on the way up. This is, I definitely need to invest in water shoes because this is painful. Everybody's like running across here because it's like scorching hot. But we just gotta head right back up here and then we're going, actually, no, yeah, to the left up there and then go back down the mat slide. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Beautiful day. Oh man, let me hold on. All right, we did it. So the only thing that's crazy is you take a big nosedive into the water. Ah, it goes all over your nose. Craziness, but I love that one as well. I'm about to head to the locker, get my slides. This is ridiculous. Sand is a lot better. It feels weird to be back in sand again, but here we are as I'm going back to the locker bay to get my stuff. All right, so there are about 2 or 3 more slides this way. I got my slides on now as I'm walking forward. Let me get the sand off my feet with this water here and then go hit these other slides. I absolutely love this like stadium status seating, but made out of sand and some fold-up chairs here that you can sit underneath this covering and look at the water area. That is super nice, but more of it there. Like I said, the beach area there, a lot more headed this way, but I was told they have some slides up there, but like I said, 2 or 3 more slides to go. So this is where the bulk of your eating locations will be. Get your frozen treats, your food, your drinks, more of them here. So super nice because it is very well needed. You got Jamaican food, just different tropical island food, regular hamburgers, hot dogs, different things like that as we walk on there, and plenty of seating with shade covering, so that's really nice though. I like that, and a lot more slides straight ahead. So walking up the stairs here, you have Typhoon and Twister, Thunderbolt, Intimidator, and Triple Threat. So all located up here. Let's check it out. So here we go, we have Thunderbolt right here, so that's really nice, and then Typhoon, Twister. So we're gonna get a raft right here, hike on up, and then venture down and splash on down into some water. Ooh, like that. Raft acquired, tube acquired, however you want to call it. Hiking on up. There's so many hills here, and it's like everything's a huge incline. Now my slides now, they're kind of wet, so I'm slipping around, but a lot more comfortable than just bare feet. And here we go, just about at the top right here. I thought Whitewater was bad with the incline. There are a lot of steps there, but this is a lot of hills. Oh, so never mind. I guess Thunderbolt is the zip line, and Typhoon and Twister are these right here, these 2. The yellow one and the blue one right here. So we're gonna give them a go. Woo-hoo-hoo. And we're off. Ah! It's so dark in here. There we go. A little opening. Oh, now we're moving. Oh, I'm all on the wall. Man, that was actually pretty good. That splashdown right there is intense. Pretty intense. Let's go around to the yellow side. See if it's better. Oh, oh. This one's moving. This one's moving. Oh my goodness. I'm going backwards. Oh, here we go. I turned around. All right, and the splash. Woo! Oh man, absolutely love those. That one really had me flying. That was a really good slide. Up there with one of the best. Okay, up next you have two of them. You have this one on the right, which is a just straight up vertical, straight down one. And then you have this one on the left. So I'm pretty sure this one right here is triple threat, and the other one is intimidator because it's more so intimidating. So yeah, you can see kind of why there's like 3 airtime hills, so probably why this is triple threat and the other one's intimidator. Let's give it a go. Okay, so yeah, here's a better perspective of the other one that I think is intimidator. Straight down vertical drop. Man, I love the angles that you can get right here from the stairs. All right, we're about to go down the big drop. Here we go. That one's pretty nice. You go completely off the slide and down a big steep drop. You see we just did that one on the right. That thing drops completely straight down. So you slide for like, man, 12 feet and then to get some speed, as you can see there, and then you just like splash on down. Nuts, so crazy. Hiking up these stairs again. Man, insane, insane. About to go, look at this. Now about to go on the left one that has more airtime hills, kind of similar and reminiscent to Dragon's Tail at Six Flags Whitewater. There we go. Ow! Man, that one we just came off is so intense. I love it. Straight airtime on the way down. Pure airtime. The other one's good because it shocks you and it's intense, but this one, pure airtime. Insane. You can see how bright it is, how it looks overexposed. Amazing slides. But man, those last ones really win it for me. Like, they're super intense, incredible. The park is beautiful here today. The beach, all that stuff. Amazing day today. Definitely a high traffic area right here, that's for sure. Getting their food and beverages. Like I said, the views are pretty much unparalleled, unmatched. Really, really nice out here. Palm trees in Georgia. Fake ones, but palm trees nonetheless. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Margaritaville, at Lanier Islands, at Lake Lanier. An amazing time. This is definitely the most beautiful water park that we've been to so far here on day 4 of Water Park Week here on the first annual Passholder Water Park Week. Had a truly amazing time. It's so far not the best. I'll tell you my favorites at the end of this week, but let me know what you guys think of this water park. What were your thoughts? Share them with me in the comment section down below, because I would definitely love to hear from you. But definitely enjoyed this slide. Had some of the best ones that we've done so far this week. Seriously, truly, truly amazing. But guys, thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. We have so many more adventures and so much more in store coming up soon, so best believe you me. But guys, thank you guys so much yet again. To my next video and next adventure, take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.